Today we're going to cover how to calculate the scale on the takeoff screen. When you first access the takeoff screen inside of your project, you'll know that we display a message that says the scale has not been set. Now we are aware that a lot of architects will provide you a scale down here in the bottom of your image. However, we prefer here at the edge that you calculate your scale based off of a known dimension on that image. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click Scale down here at the bottom, and then we're going to click the Calculate option to measure a known dimension on the drawing. Once I click Calculate, I get my crosshairs, and in this case, I'm just going to measure this 25 lineal footage line here. So I click my first point there on the left, move my mouse to the right, click my second point, and now it's asking me to type in my dimension. In this case, it's just a nice whole number of 25 feet, and so I could type in 25 and hit OK, and then that would display my scale to me. But what happens if we were to measure something like this 15 feet 6 inches? How would that look? Well, if you were to measure that, you would type in 15 feet with the little foot mark, 6 with your inch mark. And that's how you would add in a foot plus inch increment into your scale. In this case, the line we measured was just 25 feet, so I'll click 25 and then I'm going to say OK. Now, in this case, you notice that your scale is supposed to be an 1/8 inch on your plan. However, based on your measurement, the scale is coming in at 1 inch equals 7.94 feet. So the rule of thumb that we have here is usually if you're 0.25 below or 0.25 above the scale you're trying to hit, go ahead and hit this drop down and choose the correct scale. So for example, if I were to measure this and my dimension came in at 1 inch equals 7.75 or 1 inch equals 8.25, I would click my drop down, I would choose an 1/8 inch scale, and I would say OK. If my measurement came in as 1 inch equals 10.76 or some way off number like that, we recommend that after you see that, you click the calculate button again and you re-measure the takeoff. If that number is presented again or a similar number, go ahead and leave that scale because the program is telling you that that is the accurate scale based off of the dimension you typed in. If you have any questions about setting the scale, please feel free to reach out to us on our tech support line, and we'd be happy to assist you in any way we can. Thank you very much and have a great day.